You pour it in.
You do?
Yeah.
Oh.
Only a little bit.
Ah, stick your wall. Well, I did it at least.
Can you close it?
If you don't want, if the used test tube goes in there.
If you put the used test tube away, you'll be able to do it.
There we go.
Now, what is that?
It is your cheek cells.
And I spelled mine.
And how did you get that?
You swished water. Well, you put it in a cup and you swished water in your mouth for about
30 seconds.
30 seconds. And then you put it in the test tubes. And then you put hand soap in the test tube with the cheek.
For 8 seconds, and then same with alcohol.
And then alcohol.
And then after that,
after that,
gently shake it.
Yeah,
and then you wait for the cells to become strands.
And then you put it in.
No, you don't. You wait for it to become strands, and then it comes up, and it clumps up at the top. And then after that, you can put your tubes. Put those in the tubes.
It's a micro fudge.
Fuse. And you put it in there, and then you're done.
So put it in here.
Place the test tube. Alright, we're done.
We put it in here, don't we?
No, we don't. You can take it home.
Cool. Water to the center of your slide. Take one toothpick from the toothpick dispenser and use it to gently scrape the inside of your cheek. Ew. Throw away your toothpick and the waste back at your station.
Well, you have to do something with your toothpick.
You don't.
You skip something.
Wait. Oh, yeah.
You'll have to do that part again. Oh, you didn't throw it away. Okay, you're okay.
Count to 10 while you swirl the toothpick. Drop of water on your side to wash off your cells. What? Oh.
That way your cells get in that water.
Throw away your toothpick in the waste bag at your station. Add one drop of stain to the water on your slides. I love that one. Wait. Yeah. On your slide or on? Yeah. Place a clear plastic cover slip over the cell mixture on your slide.
Oh, really? Yeah.
We're not done yet. Don't confuse a small slip of paper for the plastic cover slip. Wait 2 minutes to allow your cheek cells to absorb the stain. Okay. 2 minutes.
Wow, that'll be a long time.
Look at that. Cheek cells and water and stain and a cover slip.
I'm going to stop that one.